Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary Cheetah's new home. Madhya Pradesh is gearing up to introduce a new group of cheetahs to the Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary in Mandsaur district. With this, MP is expanding its efforts beyond the current habitat at Kuno National Park in Shiopur district, which is presently home to 21 cheetahs. Situated approximately 270 km from KNP, the Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary has been prepared as a second heaven for these fast felines, following an investment of Rs 17.72 crore to cover an area of 64 square kilometers with a protective wire fence. The sanctuary is fully equipped and ready to receive the cheetahs with all necessary arrangements in place. The final decisions on the timing and specifics of the cheetahs' relocation will be made by the National Tiger Conservation Authority. Additionally, a hospital is under construction within the sanctuary to provide healthcare to the cheetahs, with a team of veterinarians from KNP set to offer advice on its development. To ensure the successful monitoring and care of the cheetahs, about 25 staff members and officials from the sanctuary and the forest department have undergone specialized training at KNP. Let us now discuss the reintroduction of cheetahs. The anticipated arrival of a new group of cheetahs from South Africa marks a continuation of India's ambitious project to reintroduce this species, which was declared extinct in the country in 1952. The project began with the introduction of 8 Namibian cheetahs to KNP in September 2022, followed by another 12 from South Africa in February 2023. Despite the loss of 10 cheetahs since the introduction, the population at KNP includes 6 males, 7 females, and 8 cubs, totaling 21 cheetahs. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, or Maharashtra? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.